have a look at our implicit solution now then. Here it is. And what I'm going to do is use these laws of logarithms to try and get to the explicit form. If you look at the left-hand side, I want y equals something for the explicit solution. So if I were to find e to the power log y, effectively I'd cancel out those two functions. The e to the function cancels out the log function, and we would have just y, which is what we want. So they would cancel out. And so if I'm going to find e to the left-hand side, I need to find e to the right-hand side too, but for it to work, it needs to be e to the power log something like this what left-hand side is. So I need to use these laws of logarithms here to get this to say log something. Now at the moment it's a half times log 1 plus x squared, so I can use this law of logarithms because at the moment it's in this form, and rewrite it like that, and then it'll be log something, which is what I want. But then I've got this c added. So what I do is I let c equal the log of another constant, say k. So I can write it in this form, log of a plus log of k, and then I can combine them. So that is how I'm going to get around it. So I'll write this out below, and you see if you can do it before you look. So we have log y equals a half log 1 plus x squared plus c. The first thing I'm going to do is let c equal log of say k, just some constant. So then I can write log y equals a half log x, or log 1 plus x squared rather, plus log k. So now I can use this law of logarithms here to rewrite this as a half. Well, actually, need to do this in all at once really. This half can be brought up here and using this first law of logarithms. So actually I'm going to rewrite the this right hand side as, starting again, the log of 1 plus x squared, so it's effectively k, which is the constant, multiplied by 1 plus x squared one plus x squared to the power of half. So I get that. Look at how the laws of logarithms allow us to do this. Now this right hand side is in the form of log of something, as is the left hand side. So I can now take e to the power both sides, and I end up with y equals k 1 plus x squared to the power of half. Or if I wanted the square root, so y equals k times the square root of 1 plus x squared would be our general solution. This is our general solution now. General solution because we don't know what k is, and so in the next video I'm going to talk about how to find out what k is by putting in our initial conditions or our boundary conditions.